Hello, in front of me I've got Canon EOS. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage settings. In the beginning, on any mode, go to menu. Here you can find My Menu tab, Camera, AF settings, Playback settings, Connection settings, Device settings, and additional settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.